let's just say it's too late. We can't escape out. Oh baby, we can't stop this fire. So when I feed the flames, I'm burning all down, 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 down. We can't stop this fire. We're like gasoline.
Hey guys, today we're going to play Hot Potato PD11 without talking.
Miss Very English teacher, yeah. 3, 2, 1, sing. La 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 la. Hello, students. Today I'm going to teach you another sentence in English. First, let's read. Can I go to the washroom, please? Now, with actions. Can I go to the washroom, please? What are you doing here? Can I go to the washroom, please? No. Oh, no, no, no. I'm just kidding. You can go. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Princesses only Olympic will take us to the start. Go back to the start. But tonight I'll be the happiest girl in the world. You seem like it doesn't matter. Tonight I'll be the happiest girl in the world. You seem like it never happened. You stop pretending I want somebody. You stop pretending I want to drag yourself and say I want to. But tonight I'll be the happiest girl. You'll seem like it never happened. 진실도 될 수가 있어 그저 원하면 원하는 대로 기분과 슬픈 그대로 넌 내가 될 거야 그리고 준비고 다 빛을 가득해 We can dance in this moonlight again 잔을 들어봐 미래를 가져봐 My life is waiting for you 가로속 날 보고 웃는
never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. But darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass. We're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight.
Won't let go of your hand. Two birds on a wire. One says come on, and the other says I'm tired. The sky is overcast, and I'm silent. When one's almost left, nobody's worried. Birds of a feather say that they're always gonna stay together.
Can you hear, can you hear, can you hear my voice? Coming through, coming through, coming through the noise. I'm floating through outer space. I'm lost and I can't find a way. Oh, all the lights going dark and my hopes destroyed. Help me, is anybody there? Save me, I'm running out of air. Calling out Mayday.
I won.